Less than minus 3 means what is answer? Less than minus 3, which number is there here? Less than minus 3, which number is there? No, no. No number. Then what is the probability? 0. That's it. That is the answer. Got it? Understand, ma? All of you? Okay. See, here they are given values like x is taking from minus alpha to alpha. That means x is taking from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, I am writing. Now, if they ask that what is the probability of x is less than minus 3 means what is the value x taking less than minus 3? Is it x is taking any value less than minus 3? No value. Then what is the probability? 0. Got it? Next, let's check next questions also, friends. Quickly, like big point here. So first question is that probability distribution, correct? And none of the probability is negative. So some of the probabilities must be equal to 1. So you'll get K or not from there. See once all of you students. From online, following students.
Yes, sir.
Students, exercise
Yes,
1,
sir.
first question, exercise 1, first question.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we discussed that model in class also, Some of the probability should be equal to 1. Okay, okay. Next, second question. Second question, P of x equal to x, they have given some relation. So what is the meaning of that C 2 by 3 power x? C into, got it? Probability mass function. Okay, tell me, if you, what is that function over here? P of x equal to small x is C into whole power x. So now suppose I am taking here random variable and here its probability. What is that random variable value if I take x is from where they are saying starting from 1. If you substitute this here, it is 2 by 3. Next, if you put 2 whole square, got it? Then if you put 3, c into 2 by 3 whole cube. It is continuing. There is no end. Did they mention any end? No. That's why this also here it continues. Now, if it is a probability distribution, sum of all these probabilities should be equal to 1, right? The sum is equal to 1 means it is becoming a geometric progression. Geometric progression of infinity terms, correct? Right, students? I can find a divided by 1 minus r, will get the value of c, no? All of you understanding or not, ma? Sure, following. That is the second question. Third one, a random variable x takes only two values. What is that one? X equal to 0, 1 and 2. Got it? X equal to 0, 1 and 2. Please observe, students. Next question. What is the values x is taking? 0, 1 and 2. What is the probability of x equal to 0? Did they give anything? If x is 0, what is the probability? 0.4. If x is 1, don't know. Both are equal, we don't know. That's why I'm taking k and k. Where? No, where they've given all of them. Equal to P of x equal to 2. See, probability of x equal to 1 and probability of x equal to 2 are equal. They are equal to what? They are equal to what? Don't know, no. That's why I'm taking they are equal to k. And when x equal to 0, it is 0.4. Now, if it is a probability distribution, what should be happen? Sum is equal to 1. Then you'll get k value, right? Got it? K value we can get. Once we get k value, what they want here? Mean of the random variable. What is the mean? Sigma x into p of x. X is above p of x value. We know now k. We can find. Students, no need to be harima. Any doubt is there, you can ask. Read, go through the material, and ask doubt if you have. It's not difficult. It is yesterday I've given the simple points quickly. Enough, that much information. See, they removed this type of content from this chapter, not base theorem or something else. Huh? Okay. Yes, next. investment, right? Profit is other than your investment, correct or not? What is profit, Mark? Revenue minus cost, no? 160 is your, instead of S, I am going to take what, tell me? 160. Suppose if I am failed, what I am going to lose? My entry fees I am going to lose. How much it is? Minus 16. That's it. Understand? Success, failure, mathematical meaning we are giving as per the question. Now what they are asking? Mathematical expectation. That means if he play this game, what happened? He is going to gain or he is going to lose? Tell me. 120 into 1 by 160 into 1 by 8. You know now students, formula to this sigma x into p of x. So therefore it is 160 into 1 by 8, then minus 16 into 7 by 8. Now tell me what is this value? 120 minus 100. Okay, LCM is there now. Okay, cancel. So it is 6 rupees. See, we will try to play the game, correct? By thinking that I'll get 160 rupees. But what is general expectation? 6 rupees only. Understand? If we gain 6 rupees, if you lose 16 rupees, what is the profit every time to the person who is admin, like who is the admin to this type of competition? 10 rupees. If you win, you are going to get. If you win, you are going to get overall. Not every time you are not going to win. No. If you win, what is your average earning? 6 rupees profit. But if we organize that game, every time 10 rupees profit to him. Every time, whoever wins, you win or not, I am talking about his profit. Yes. Got it or not? In that way, Nama, all the questions. I think you can do 5th question, right? 6th question. What is the variance of x here, student? 6th question, very simple and good question. 6th one, ma. What is the variance of x? Minus 6, minus. No. Variance of x is how much? 5, 5. Okay. Then what they want here? Variance of variable minus 3x. Apply this formula. Apply this formula. 9 into. Understand, students, all of you. What is the formula I'm applying from online? Students, from online. Which formula I'm applying? Understand, ma?
Variance V of x.
Variance of Ax.
Variance of Ax is a square into variance of x, which is 9 into variance of x is how much? 5. Answer 45. No minus. Here square is there, no? That's an answer. Got it, students? All of you. Now, how about next question? We can do that. Second point about 0 and all not there in our discussion. Okay, not required. Okay, all that are not there. You can read now exercise 2. Exercise 2 we have around 7 questions, and then exercise 3 we have around what is that? 7 questions. Okay, and all nothing is difficult. If you want, you can just go through once. Okay, all are easy only. You can try this today for some time. Can you ask this tomorrow again before going to start trigonometry? 1 hour. Let us solve all the doubts whatever we have. So now I am moving on to the binomial distribution. Even here binomial distribution, yes, it is there in your board syllabus, state board students and CBSE, everywhere it is there in the okay, in the syllabus is there. And that too, what is the chance to ask a question about Bayes theorem? There is an equal chance to ask question by binomial distribution also. That's why briefly we will take that what is the binomial distribution once, and then we'll continue with the numerical. Here, students, once again, it is not as complicated as Bayes theorem, but the data analyzing is again very important over there. Data analyzing, like in Bayes theorem, how important is the data to write in the specified way? Like that, here also it's very important. Okay. So base binomial theorem. I think you have clarity about Bernoulli, students, right? Now binomial distribution. What is this binomial distribution and when you are going to follow this binomial distribution? Tell me. We are repeating the one experiment. One experiment we are repeating. How many times? We are repeating n times. N times. Right, students? What is that n mark? N is the question. Sample size. Remember sample size. And what is the P here? P, P probability. P is nothing but what? Probability of success. Probability of success. Very, very important. Very important. In the question, they may say that 10 points, the coin 100 times. Don't bother about it tossed 100 times. If it tossed one time, what happened? That is what we need to take it while deciding about what the value of P. Is it clear, students? Then what is the X here we need to take means number of success. So you need to decide from for each question, like what is the success. Each question to question, success is going to be different. Got it? So then all these are related by a formula, students. What is that? Tell me more. X equal to X, NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X. Right? All these are related by this formula. Students, you need to learn more this one, all of you. Right? And here to this distribution, what origin cone or what? Then what is that? Okay. Then what is the mean? NP or expectation? Variance NPQ V of X. This is the data you need to know. What Jaydeep sir? You got this? That's it. If you know this, then this chapter over. Got it? You are seeing or not? Probability, no big deal with the concepts. Only numerical. Numerical, how you are fitting to these forms. It's the total probability, how we are shifting. Independent theorem, how conditional probability, how we are converting. Base theorem, how we are converting. Everywhere, form conversion from general examples to mathematical form. That's it. Okay. But there are some questions where there is a mixed up with permutation, combinations, and all that we will discuss. That's why only I'm asking you to solve the previous means question. Previous means questions, once if you solve, no, you'll get a complete idea. Today, even I'll send that probability. What is that? 19, 20, 21. Last 3 years, around you'll get 60, 70 questions. You'll come to know, like each attempt, how many questions they are asking also. Right? 60, 70 questions are there, but many you are doing now, no? Already yesterday you have done, right? I think up to 2020 it is there. Right? Then only 2021 no adding up. Not is it? You have to keep one target, students. Suppose this week one syllabus we are covering or one chapter we are completing means, what is that our preparation? Is it finished or not? We need to work until completion of that. Until completion of that. Okay? Right? Mosquitoes are there or what? Q is 1 minus P. Probability of P here we are calculating, right? Q is nothing but 1 minus. Okay. Now you can check the questions. The number of parameters. See, this binomial distribution is also going to be denoted with B n comma P. Remember, B n comma P. So it is depending on sample size as well as probability. That's why it is what is that? Bivariate. Whereas Bernoulli it depends on only P, single univariate, but here uniparameter, but here biparameter. 2 parameters it depends. Got it? So B of n comma P. No, they'll give like this. If they give like in that format means they may give like this, 3 comma 1 by 2 like that. Where it is? Take it now. B n comma P is that is okay. Equal to mean or something they might say. Check the question. B n comma 1 by 4, not like only what is the value of. Okay, in the binomial distribution, if the probability of, that's what question is there, no still. P is 1 by 4. N we don't know. To find n only, they have given some condition. We will apply that. Got it? Is this point okay, ma? Here understanding is not there means then you cannot solve question also. Now questions we will solve. Okay, give me that Xerox and I'll solve from there. Okay, for example, we will choose 59th question. Why? If you have Xerox. 59th. You can take 59th question. 59th question. What is that 59th question, students? From previous that assignment mark for online students. What is that 59th question? First, you need to decide what is n, what is p. Then obviously you'll get q. Then what is the x? These 4 you need to write. Check it. If not means try that. What is that? I'm asking what is n? N is 5. N is 1 second. I don't know. Later it will come. 59. Yeah, multiple choice examination has 5 questions. Yes, examination has sample, right? So n equal to 5. Each question has 3 alternate answers, of which exactly 1 is correct. So what is the success here? What is the success? Answer is correct. That is your success, correct? Now, what is the probability of that answer to be correct? 1 by 3, no? That is P. Then Q is 2 by 3. Why? It is 1 minus P, which is 2 by 3. Okay. Now you need this type of success. How many success you need? 4 or more. That means you need probability of the success. How many you need? 4 or more. This is the question. Got it? Got it, ma? Understand, students? So sample is there, probability is there. That is the idea to you how we need to start this question under the binomial distribution. Sample is there, probability is there. Got it? And now let us first write the formula. What is the formula to this? NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So then what is the n? 5cx P 1 by 3 whole power x Q 2 by 3 whole power 5 minus x. This is the just substitution, except x everything you know. Now we need what here? Probability of x value is, you know, right here x we are allowed to take from where to where? 0, 1 to up to 5. Now you need probability of x value is greater than or equal to 4 means you need x equal to 4 plus x equal to 5, right? That's it. No, you cannot take 6, right? Because here Your sample size is how much? 5. Over, substitute later. What is the value of x equal to 4? 5 C 4. 1 by 3 whole power 4 into 2 by 3 whole power 1. 5 C 5. 1 by 3 whole power 5 into 2 by 3 whole power 0. Then 5 C 4 is 5 into 2 by 3 power 5 plus 5 C 5 is 1 into 1 by 3 power 5. So totally which is 11 by 3 power 5. Got it? Understand all of you? That's it. Like that here there are you to find probability, no? Sometimes they'll ask you to find P, sometimes they'll ask you to find N. Based on that question, it's like condition, question is going to be changed. Okay, now come back to material only. I think most of you don't have the Xerox. Most of you don't have Xerox right now. But that's why here we need to find N value. Same format, unknown is different. We got here N we know, X we know, we want certain value for probability, right? Yes, yes, we'll do it. You can note down what Darshan writing. Understand how I'm separating what is N, what is P, how I'm separating. Suppose we have another question. Here question understanding is very important, like 61. Okay, 61. It's very early to do this model, but okay, we'll discuss. Now B N comma P equal to 1 by 4. If probability, read the question, if probability of at least one success, is greater than or equal to 9 by 10, then what is the N is greater than equal to what or greater than what? Got it? That only they're asking. Okay. See here, students, all of you. Observe. Probability of at least one success. X is greater or equal to 1 is greater than 9 by 5. That's it. That's what given in the question. Understand? All of you got it or not? But here we need to take greater or equal to 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to where we need to take? We don't know N. We don't know N, right? Then where we are going to take? Don't know, right? That's why I will write this opposite complement to this. 1 minus complement to this. 1 minus P of A is less than 1. There is an event, students, here. P of A is there. I am writing this as 1 minus P of A complement. Greater than or equal to 1, opposite is less than 1 only. That's it. Now, is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Now, 1 minus X less than 1 means what is the possibility? You have only one possibility. X equal to 0. Which is greater than or equal to 9 by 10. Now you know what is the formula. What is the P of X equal to X? NCX P of X. You power N minus X. And if we are substituting now N value, sorry, X value is 0. N we don't know. NC not. P we know. P 1 by 4 whole power X 0. Students understand what I'm doing? In that I'm substituting what are the values available to us. X equal to 0 we know, that's in the place of X. N don't know. P we know 1 by 4. Q 3 by 4. Q 3 by 4 only, right? How to find Q? 1 minus P. And what is the value of N? Don't know. X value is 0. So what is this? 1, 3 by 4 whole power N. So therefore I'm going to write here 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power N is greater than or equal to 9 by 10. Now I'm sending this 1 to that side. Minus 3 by 4 whole power N is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 10. Is it correct if I write 1 on that side? 9 by 10 minus 1 is minus 1 by 10. Now I'm cancelling sign. If I'm cancelling sign means then what I'm going to get is less than or equal to 1 by 10. So now it is an exponential form. We need power n. What to do? Logarithmic form only. Apply log. Got it or not? Tell me what I have to take. Take log on both sides. Got it or not? You can write this as 3 by 4 whole power n is less than or equal to 10 power minus 1. Now take log on both sides. Log on both sides. Got it or not, students? In the objective type questions, now what they give means even model in the previous 2020 you got questions based on this. Okay, you need to verify with, suppose put n equal to 1. General I am asking. Put n equal to 1. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 0.75 is less than 0.1. No. So n is 1. N equal to 1 is wrong. Put n equal to 2. Put n equal to 3, 4. Wherever it is correct, they'll ask what is the minimum value of n satisfying this, least value of n satisfying this. That type of question they may ask. Got it or not, ma? All of you students? You have this for 5 marks question in the, I think in the state board also it's removed. 3, 2, I'll confirm. I think it's removed. This is removed. Yeah, it's removed. This is not there in board. Because 4 marks independent. Yeah, it's removed, not there. So now will take log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, what happened? N log 3 by 4 is less than or equal to minus log 10, no? How? 10 power minus 1, you can write. Here take log base is what, tell me? E. Now you need n, right? What we can write? Log 3 minus log 4 is less than or equal to minus log 10. Then n is less than or equal to minus log 10 to the base e divided by log 3 minus log 4. Or you can take minus common. Base 10 is log 10. 10. So instead of e, taken 10. Then take everywhere 10 only. This will become 1 right here. I said right, concept is that only. Any question is that how it is. But way of asking, maybe n they may ask, x they may ask, or p they may be asked. Like now you can come back to the material, all of you. You have some conceptual questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Conceptual questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of parameters 2. Right? Number of parameters 2. Next, you can go through that questions from online also. Conceptual questions. When a coin is tossed n times, if the probability of getting 6 heads is equal to the probability of getting 8 heads, then value of n. That means P of x equal to 6. P of x equal to 6 is equal to P of x equal to 8. Very simple. What is your experiment here? Tossing of the coin. How many times? N times. So n you don't know. N you don't know. Now we need to write a probability. Don't think that you are tossing coin how many times? N times. That's what only my point of saying about it. P, right? If experiment conducted once, what is the probability of the head? Yes. Head only. 6 or 10 or doesn't matter. 1. Head. Got it? Students, all of you. Understand how I am picking up the value of P? Not like n times you tossed. If you tossed n times and you are discussing about 6 heads means don't apply this concept. Generally analyze that only. If you are converting the question into this concept means experiment should be conducted once. That result only your P. And what is the success? Getting heads. How many heads? 8 or 10 or later. Success number of heads. What is the probability of getting one head when you toss a coin once? Q equal to 1 by 2. Then X you know right already. Then what else you don't know? N no. What is the formula? Same thing. NC6 1 by 2 whole power 6. No, yeah, into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 6. N minus 6 is equal to, that is this side. Understand, students? I'm applying this formula. That's it. Now here apply this formula. What we are going to get? N. Don't know. C. X. 8. P. 1 by 2 whole power 8 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 8. Now we need to simplify this and we have to get value of n. Got it? Value of n. Understand, ma? All of you, students? All of you, ma? Last. What, Atul? Following. We'll get now the value of n. I am writing n q, but it only single formula here in this concept. Don't worry, today let us complete all this approach and learn this perfectly. Basically, confident? Huh? Any questions from there? Did you try? Base theorem. Don't neglect, man. Now only today, tomorrow maximum we need to complete it. Don't think that this chapter again to discuss for 1 week. We will do it, ma. 1 second. Because everybody they don't have Xerox. 1 second. Yes. Any answer to the second? What is the value of n? You can verify, no? What? Why you are solving? 14, huh? Okay. What about third question? That's what very comfortable now. We have done this question, right? 61 model only. What is the third question, students? Please check it once. Probability of number of times. No, the number of times the pair coin must be tossed so that the probability of getting at least one head is at least 0.8. So now what is the P? You are tossing of a coin once. What is the probability of? Question is about head 1 by 2. That's it. Like this you have to know. Right. P is what? 1 by 2. Immediately Q is 1 by 2. Actually now this distribution is called symmetrical binomial distribution. It's called symmetric. When P equal to Q, no, it's called symmetric. Symmetry means if I take the probability values, no, it will go, then it will come like. I think you have studied, right, asymmetry, skewness in the graph. No idea? Symmetry means what? Suppose parabola, we say that it's symmetrical about y-axis. What do you mean by symmetry? That's it. Distribution also we call it as symmetrical. Why, tell me? Even the NCR also follows Pascal triangle, no? It follows this Pascal triangle, right? This value. That's why then there is a symmetry. Coefficients also symmetry, probability also symmetry. That's why overall distribution is symmetrical. Okay, leave it. Now, what is your success? X. X is nothing but number of heads. X is nothing but what? Number of heads. That is one head, more than one, not 10 secondary. First we have to write what is X. X is nothing but number of heads. Now in the question how many times you cross so it is equal to given that the probability of getting at least one head. So at least condition is there for number of success. 0.8. This is the question. No? Got it? Third numerical. Then how to proceed? 1 minus P of X equal to 0. Directly I am writing. Why? Greater than or equal to 1. Opposite statement is less than 1. Less than 1 means X equal to 0. That's all. Now, P of X equal to 0 is greater than or equal to minus 0.2. Or P of X equal to 0 is less than or equal to 0.2. P of X equal to 0, what is the formula? NC. Here I am applying this formula. You know, right? That's why I am not writing every time. Just substituting. NC naught 1 by 2 whole power 0 into 1 by 2 whole power n is less than or equal to 0.2. NC naught is 1. 1 by 2 whole power n is less than or equal to 0.2. Now you can substitute n equal to 1. Is it true? If you put n equal to 1, is it true? That what to do? Tell me. You can write this as 0.5 whole power n is less than 0.2. I am substituting n equal to 1. What is the answer? 0.5 is less than 0.2? No. So n equal to 1 is wrong. Then put n equal to 2. 0.25 is less than 0.2? No. So n equal to 2 is wrong. Then put n equal to 3. 0.125 is less than 0.2 or not? Yes. So your answer is this. Understand? Don't say yes simply. Problem is there, we can discuss. Next. Fourth question. A box containing 15 identical bulbs. 5 bulbs are defective. 15 are identical only. 5 bulbs are defective. If 5 bulbs are drawn at random, so your sample is 5 only. Your sample is 5 only, correct or not? Out of 15, you are not drawing all. What is your sample size? 5. That n is 5. With replacement, the probability that at least one of them, at least one also goes for X. Now, what is your success? I am asking what is your success? Number of defectives. X is nothing but number of defectives. Number of defectives. Understand once again. X is nothing but in that question. X is nothing but number of defectives. That defectives, how many? That is, we will calculate at P of X greater than, less than, like that. Understand? All of you. Go through that questions, you can understand, because here, if you get idea, no, then whenever while reading question itself, you can able to say that this comes under basic theorem or binomial theorem or like that. If you don't, that idea, if you don't have, it's difficult. Students from online following or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about this question, fourth question? What is the P? For fourth question, what is the P?
Getting
Defective
defective bulb.
X. Yeah. X is nothing but number of defectives. So now, one bulb to be defective. What is the possibility that one bulb to be defective? 1 by, how many defectives are there? 5. How many defectives are there? 5. Then 5 by 15, right? Got it? 5 by 15. 5 defectives, right? Out of 15. What is the probability that to pick up one defective bulb? 1 by 15. Yes. Sample size. 10. Now, what do you have to find? 1. Got it? At least one defective. Right or not, ma? Understand? Now, greater than or equal to 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is better. Or take opposite and do it. That is better. Understand? That you can decide and do it. Everything is correct only. How quickly we can get answer is the matter. If you take greater than or equal to 1, we need to take this up to 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All that calculating is good. or taking opposite statement and doing that is good. That you can decide. So P of x greater than or equal to 1 equal to 1 minus P of x less than 1. Less than 1 means x is equal to 0. Then formula we have P of x equal to x. What is the answer? NCx P power x Q power n minus x. What, Lahita, can you reply, ma? What is the answer to this? What and all n, p, q, everything? Can you tell me, Lahita? Are you there online, ma? Aditya?
5C1. P of 1.
5c? 5c?
5C1.
No, 5c 0. We're substituting x equal to what, ma? 0, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Then p.
P of 0.
P is what? You know, right here, p. Do you understand where I'm substituting? I'll be able to see the screen or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
2 by
what?
3.
P is 1 by 2 to the power x. What is the x? 0. Q is 2 by
2 by
3
3.
the
5 minus.
0. 5. Answer 1 minus this is 1, it is 1 and it is 2 by 3 whole power 5. The answer is here, take it, otherwise take the powers 32 by 243, then LCM. That's it.
Sir, what does it mean by with replacement in this case?
Sorry, ma?
Sir, what
With
does it mean? It says with replacement.
So we will take a ball and then we will keep it back. Okay? Yes, that doesn't matter. Replacement, non-replacement. We are not going case wise, Noma. We are taking one case only.
Okay.
What
sir.
is our case? Like drawing one defective. One defective. That defective you are keeping back, not keeping back, doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Because based on that, if you are taking second step, no, then we need to think. But here, no need. That's why only here the concept properly applying only have to be careful. That's why it will come only by your good experience, nothing else. Next question, fifth question. What is N and what is P? What, Sanjan? Sanjan Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
What is N? Fifth question. I'm agree with you.
Yes, sir. P is 1 by 2.
What is Q, sir? Then?
Q will also be 1 by 2.
Then what is the variance formula?
NPQ.
Very good. NPQ. N into P into Q. 20 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 5 over. Next. Exercise 1 mark. Exercise 1. If a random variable x follows binomial distribution with mean 2.4 and variance 1.44, then the number of independent trials. Students, first question mark. You got it? Dhruvesh? Dhruvesh, Dhruvesh? What all of a sudden to come, it is what? No, Harry Potter 7 series, 6 series like that. No. It will be there beginning, then you can understand. No, I think from past 4-5 months, I didn't see him. That's why I got doubt. I think it shifted college also. Yes, Avutula Dhruvesh Reddy, correct? Yeah. He shifted college also. He collected. I think that college. You can leave, mark, if you are attending the class. Okay. Then what is that first question? Mean is given. What is mean? 2.4. What is the variance? 1.44. Right, ma? Now, if I divide both, NPQ divided by NP, 1.44 divided by 2.4. How many times it is? 6 times, huh? You can write now 144 divided by 2, 240. 12, 12, 12, 12s and 20s. 3 by 5, right? P value is 3 by 5. Then what is the P value? 1 minus Q, no? P equal to 2 by 5. What does here? N. Substitute NP. NP is 2.4, no? Understand, all of you? What is the P? P value we know, right? 2 by 5 equal to 2.4. Then N equal to this value. 12, right? 12 by 2. Got it? Relation, if you know, it's finished. Next. Second question, I think you can do. What is given? N is given. We don't know P. Correct or not? So you don't know even Q also. How you are going to solve this? 9. 9 into N is how much? 6. 9 into P of X equal to 4, equal to 2. 9 into, you know the formula, right, students? Multiple times I am using same formula, ma. Please don't confuse. Don't confuse. NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X. This is the formula we are following. We know here N, 9 into, we know N, right? 6C4. Right, students? 9 into 6C4. What is the P? Don't know. Power 4. Q, don't know. Power 2. Why 2? 6 minus 4. Following or not, all of you? Equal to X equal to 2 then. N C, sorry, 6C2. 6C2. P power 2. Q power 4. Now 6C4 and 6C2 each cancel. NCR equal to NC. N minus R. Then 9 equal to 9. And here P power 4. Square is left. And equal to Q square. But we know Q, right? What is? Tell me. What is Q? 1 minus P the whole square. You are taking 3P. 3P equal to 1 minus 4P equal to 1. P equal to 1 by 2. P is 1 by 4 means Q is 3 by 2. Got it? Suppose you have a doubt means check plus or minus and check it possibly. P value should be less than 1 always. Probability. Next questions also. 20 identical coins, each with probability P showing heads are tasked. Probability that head showing on 10 coins is same as that of same thing above question like here below. There they are given P of X equal to something equal to P of X, right? Here instead of terms they are same. What is the next question, ma? Fourth question. Can you quickly tell me? Yes, Rishikesh. Fourth question. What is N? N. Huh? 7. Very good. What is P? 1 by 4. What is Q? 3 by 4. What do you want to find? P of X greater than or equal to, no, greater than 1 strictly. Oh, no, yeah, 1 also. Greater than or equal to 1. Got it, all of you? Can you do it or not? Okay. Yes, yes. Next, fifth question. Jaydeep, you have material? Yes, very good. Fifth question. What is N? Means what is that question? What is your idea? A box contains 3 red balls, 2 white marbles. A marble is drawn and replaced 3 times from the box. The probability that exactly 1 red ball. So what is your success? Drawing 1 red ball. How many times you are trying? 3 times. 3 times. How many times you are trying? 3. N equal to 3. Probability of getting success. Success is getting red marble. Getting red marble. What is the probability of getting red marble? 3 times you have drawn. Don't consider that. That's the confusion here. Don't consider. If you draw 1 time, if you conduct experiment once, they are drawing like no 3 times. Students from online, is that clear, ma? They are drawing the marble. They are drawing the marble 3 times. But we don't consider that. We'll consider what? If we do the experiment only once. That means if you draw marble once, what is the probability to get success? Success means red marble. How many red marbles you have? 3 out of 5. That's it. P equal to 3 by 5. Q equal to 2 by 5. You need probability of X is greater than or equal to 1. N you know? 3. That's what 3 times you are drawing multiply. But you are not supposed to take that. Exactly. Okay, exactly 1 red means X equal to 1. Sorry. X equal to 1. No, at least no. Exactly 1 red marble. Out of 3, exactly 1 red marble. That is first time red marble, remaining 2 not red. Like all got it, students, all of you. Now, sixth question. Mohit, can you tell me? What is N? N first. 5. N is 5. So, success you decide now. Then we can go for P. What is the number of, like, probability of success? Like, first you should decide what is success in the question. Probability of a person, a student is a swimmer. Got it? So, what is the X here? X is not number. What is X? Number of swimmers. X is success. Number of swimmers. That is 4, at least 4, at most 4. That is secondary. Not now. We have to decide what is X. X is nothing but number of swimmers. You are taking 5 students, 10 students, doesn't matter. If I choose 1 student, what is the probability of getting success? Success means swimmer. What is the probability of a student to be swimmer? Not a swimmer is 1 by 5. To be a swimmer is 4 by 5. So P is 4 by 5, no? Q is 1 by 5, right? N equal to 5. Then X equal to 4. Exactly 4, no? That's it. Sorry, ma? What is the success in the question? What do you want? 1 second. What do you want? Swimmer. What is that? 1 by 4. Next. Sharad, can you explain 7th question? What I want, tell me? N, P, X. First you decide X, then you will come to know. Decide X. X is no. Answer correctly. Number of times, at least, at most, that goes for X. X is nothing but number of answered correctly. What is the n? What is the sample here? 10. What is the sample? 10. Sample is now don't bother about sample. If we take one question, what is the probability to answer correctly? Why? True or false? True or false? Right. Analyzing the question is observed. But why I am discussing numerical? You should get that idea. Still confusion is there, you can ask. What is then sample size? What is the P? If experiment conducted once, what is the probability of success? So before deciding P, you should know that what is a success. Here success is answered correctly. How many times? 6 questions correct. No, at least no, at most. Okay. P of x equal to 6 you have to find. Answer one, like see, one question you are not able to answer, don't worry, that idea we need to learn. Next question you can try. Okay, Atul, can you tell me 8th question? On the average, if it rains on 5 days in every 30 days, what is your sample here, Atul? Sample n. No. Where is 7 days here? Out of 30 days, what you are taking? 5 days. So n equal to 5. Question number 8 I am asking. One second. Probability of to be rainy day. One day is a rainy day. Now, what is your x? Tell me. A day is a rainy day. What is the probability P value? Probability of success if experiment conducted once. That means one day if you pick up. One day if you pick up, it is to be rainy day. 5 by 30. Got it? 5 by 30. 1 by 6. Then you can find Q. Q also. Got it? Now, probability that there will be a rain on exactly 3 days. X equal to 3 and n equal to 7. Correct, ma? Atul. Okay. Next. Got it, students? All of you? Next. 9th question. What about Darshan? 9th question. Probability that in a family of 4 children, there will be at least one boy. What is your success? X is nothing but number of boys. Correct. X is nothing but number of boys. Got it, ma? N. Sample. Huh? 4. N equal to 4. Now, you have to be very careful. Don't take 4 students to think. Take one student. What is the probability that that student will be a boy? 1 by 2. So P equal to 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. Now what you have to find actually? P of x is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. Understanding much? Greater than or equal to 1 means you can take 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of that, you can take opposite statement. What is the opposite statement? 1 minus P of x is less than. Can you tell me, ma, what is the student is given 6 questions in a true or false examination. If he gets 4 or more correct answers, he passes the examination. Probability that student passes the examination. X is nothing but student passes the examination is X. Got it? What is the probability of, like suppose we take up one question, right? What is the probability of answering correctly? 1 by 2. True or false exam now? P equal to 1 by 2. P is also 1 by 2 and N equal to 6. We have to find now probability of X is 4 or more. Means out of 6, if you answer 4 questions also he passes the exam. If you answer 5 questions also he passes the exam. If you answer 6 questions also he passes the exam. Got it? P of X equal to 4 plus P of X equal to 5 plus P of X equal to 6 we need to take. Is that okay? Many questions when you see will get idea also. Okay. Next, Sanjay. What is 11th? Number of questions n what? N equal to what? 5. Correct? N equal to 5. What is the probability of P? P is what? 10%. 10%. That means 10 by 100 or 0.1. Then Q value is 9 by 10. What?
Will be short before they reach
Before they reach the target only, no?
before they reach.
Yes, both are same meaning. No reverse meaning. Same meaning we have. P is 1 by 10.
They will not reach the target. Short before they reach the target.
Yes.
Will reach the target.
Okay. No, values are correct. So you see now. Tell me. 4. At least 4. X is greater or equal to 4. Greater or equal to 4 means X equal to 4 plus X equal to 5. Sorry. Next question. The probability of A winning a game is 2 by 3. In a series of 4 games, the probability that A will win more than half of the games. Tell me, what is N? 4. N is 4, no? What is P? P by 3. What do we need is that the formula N. P we need is 4. P is 2 by 3, which is 1 by 3. Then only we need to decide X. Is the number of attempts we will give you. P of X is more than half of the 4 games. More than half. Greater than 2. More than half. No, not more or more than 2. So X equal to 3. X equal to 4. Next. 13th question. What is N? 5 times. What is P? Sorry. Success is what? What is the success in the question? Number of heads. Success is nothing but X is equal to number of heads. Now you are tossed the coin 5 times, doesn't matter. If you toss the coin 1 time, what is the probability of getting head? So P value is 1 by 2, Q value is 1 by 2, N value is 5. X is exactly 2x, not most, at least more or less like that. X equal to 2. Okay. Next. Tell me one. P, what is the P? P is 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. కింద ఎవరికైనా చెప్పండి. లేదు, నా రూమ్ లో ఉంటుంది. టెల్ మీ. 1 by 2. Number of tails is 3 or 4, no? Number of tails is 3 or 4. Number of tails exceeds number of heads. That is the question, right? No, number of tails, yeah, exceeds number of tails. That means number of, see, 4 times you are tossing. You need now 3 tails, 1 head, 1 head, or 4 tails, 0 heads. That only, no? If you take 2 tails, no, then 2 heads, right? Then it won't be more. Got it or not? Greater than 2. Greater than 2 means 4. See how have a concept, no? How easily we can integrate that. Okay, that's why that knowledge all of you need to get. How about 15? 15. Still any problem is there? You have to ask. Shashank. The probability of getting a total of 9 at least twice in 6 tosses of a pair dice. Shweta, you tell me what is N here, what is P? N is 6. Why 1 by 6? You need some 9. Some 9. The triangle is there, no? 4 by 36. P value is 4 by 36. Got it or not, ma? That triangle, sum 9. That sum 9 how many times? Greater equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Okay. Yes or no? Huh? At least twice. At least twice. At least twice means X is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is better or opposite is 1 minus less than 2. 1 minus less than 2. 1 minus X is equal to 0 plus X equal to 1. Solve this question. Complete. Yeah, second option. Here option. Okay, leave it. How about next question? You leave one. 15th one. Next 16. A symmetrical die is drawn 6 times. N equal to 6. Okay. Now you are not supposed to take that. We are tossing the die 6 times wrong. Forgot about it. If you throw the die, how many times? 1 time. What is the probability of getting odd number? 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? 1, 3, 5. 6. 3 possibilities out of 6. P equal to 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. Now you need P of X is at most 5 success. At most 5 success means less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of that, we'll take opposite statement. That is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means only 6. No? Got it? All of you. Can you answer it now? 16th one. All of you. Do it. All like that only. How many number of numerical you solve? Idea remains same. Finish. Complete solving 16th one. Take N equal to what? What is the P? What is the Q? What is the X? Format. There, no? If you solve right, you will remember. Right. Now you need at most 5. So greater than or equal to, less than or equal to 5. Opposite statement 1 minus greater than 5. Greater than 5 means x equal to 6. Students from online ma, how we are doing, you only know. Any doubt is there also, you need to ask. Prashant, give me 20th question. What is then? 20. 20. N is 3, correct. What is P? 1 by? Very good. Next, what you have to find? P of x greater than or equal to 1. Clearly it is given. P of x is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 means 1, 2, 3. Instead of that, it is better to take the negative side, right? 1 minus less than 1. Less than 1 means x equal to 0. X equal to 0, if you do, it's enough. Got it? But while doing that, subtraction is there, 1 minus. Don't forget about that. Everything is like that only, ma. Any question if you want to ask me, you can ask. 71. The chance that a person with 2 dice, the basis of each being numbered 1 to 6, will throw aces exactly 4 times in 6 times. Okay. First of all, n is 6. Now don't bother about how many times you have dice. If you throw the pair once, what is the probability of getting both aces? A means 1. Both 1. How many times? Equal to 1 by 10. Aces means starting. Don't know that. Yes. What is that? Yes, service. We'll start with the game now. How will start with the game? Suppose you are playing, what is that? Tennis or shuttle or what is your first before starting a game? Zeros. Then first is ace. First number 1 is ace. That is it. Ace bowler, ace. No, with 2 dice, right? With 2 dice. Not 1 ace. Plural meaning. Plural. Aces. Not 1 ace, right? Aces. Both are 1. Okay, understood. Maybe only 1 is both ace. First one is, second one not. First ace. Possibilities are there. They're saying both are aces. We are taking pair and both are aces. 1. We are not taking individually. Every time we are throwing both ways. Any other questions? Any other questions? If you have doubts, you can ask. Next, we can take next mean, variance, standard deviation also, no problem. Next, first of all, we need to take what is the n. N is 8, right? No, 10. N is 10, correct, ma? Second level, 6th question. Second level, 6th question, ma. See, there will be 8 girls among 10. So n is 10. N is 10. X is 8, correct? X is 8. Then what is the value of P? Like, that they have to be girl, but 49 by 100. Because they are given the ratio 49 is to 51. Then total number of, like, the ratio of girls to be 49 by 100. Boys is 51 by 100. So P is, we need girl only. That's why we will take ratio of girl. Next. Again, 7th is also good question. The probability of a bomb hitting a bridge is 1 by 2. To direct its the least number of bombs required, so that the probability of bridge being destroyed is greater than 0.9. Like, see, the bridge gets destroyed with 2 or 3. P of x greater than or equal to 2. P of x greater than or equal to 2 is greater than 0.9. We did write 2 questions. P of x greater than or equal to 2 is greater than 0.9. This is what given in question. Got it or not? What is the n? What is the n? That's what we need to find. What is the probability of hitting 1 by 2? Q 1 by 2. Then when bridge gets destroyed, we know, right? So we know P 1 by 2, Q 1 by 2. We want n, right? Calculate or not? Can you tell me the answer? Number of trials. Don't give fractional values. Trial 1, 2, that's it. Not 1.5. That will not. So today even again the probability only time. Okay. Tomorrow the doubts whatever we are having the all things we will discuss. Maybe 1 hour we will do that. And by tomorrow evening all of you please try to have the xerox of that KV. Chapter wise only take. Don't simply or you can take one spiral binding also. Fine. Exact work to do we are saying, otherwise our material if you solve also sufficient, but you have to get confidence in other places what they are doing. You have to know, right? If you know means you will be confident. Yes, board preparation we have done. If you solve our material, it will be there up to level 5. Where is the end to that? There is one positive and negative also, remember all of you. Most of the students they are planning to go for what we mean board preparations now. Correct? First JEE mains attempt, how many of them will take seriously? No. Everybody thinks what? Yes, let us try this time. Next time I will do better. That is the advantage to get good percentage. We want your percentage, not the marks. How many are below us is important. How many marks we got is not important. Present JEE main, how many are getting lower than you is important. That is your percentage. How many are doing good, better than you is not the point. Got it? So, for example, if they follow some January or February some attempt, by that time, the students even they don't complete. What tell me? One round of complete syllabus of 12th only, correct? Because in general KV and all the institute where they're focusing for like CBSE, they're all preparing up to this term exam only. After term exam only they study second term, right? Then second term to complete December, January to take minimum 2 months will be. Correct? And then January end, they may complete second year portion only. When they are going to study first year? When they are going to study first year? No, they cannot. They have to do first year, after that only, right? But by the time JEE mains is complete, first round is going to be complete. So if you plan this time, whatever is available properly by covering first year, also thermal, then your JEE main attempt will be happen in a better way. Other students who appear casually, they are below less, like they score lesser than you, correct? Then your percentile is above, no? Next time they may write exam, they may get good percentage, but this time, first time you got good percentile, right? Then over, no? That is the logic. Okay. Our seniors first attempt is the best attempt. They have written 4 attempts, no? No use. They got scores are improved, percentile not improved. Afzal got first attempt 134 mark. He got 96.96 percentile. Fourth attempt 183 is his score, but percentile is 94 only. First attempt 134. He got 96.96 and he will get seat. But fourth attempt 183 percentile. Why? Everybody prepared by that time. That time, everyone prepared, not only you. Everybody scored, not only you. Then percentile, that's the logic. Close it. That is first attempt, close it. You will get good percentage, seat getting percentile once you reach. From that time onwards, you will plan board at once. That's it. Board and advance. You will get 4 or 5 months advance. If you drag your performance up to last attempt, then you get 1 or 2 months. Got it? Here you have to act very smartly with good focus and good energy. Nobody should not push you today, study this, tomorrow, study that. Not like that. One chapter we are planning for revision. We need to see the end, that's it. Not possible, that chapter. Study important. Leave it. Important model. Suppose we are integration, we are going to start. There are maybe 20 methods or 30 methods. Let us assume. All 30 methods you are not able to do. For example, I'm telling which 10 methods you are good, do that 10 only. Leave that chapter. Do that 10 and leave it. If you are not able to cover anything. If you are not able to cover, do 10 methods. Which method? Do NCERT method. Leave it. If in your attempt, if NCERT question comes, no, we'll do it. Otherwise, that one question will leave. But CET no damage, board no damage. Got it? In that way, we need to plan. It's an example I'm telling. Or physics or chemistry, that may be integration or something else. That way we need to plan. Clear? Suppose complex numbers you are going to try. Try as much you can. Which concept you are good. Try that only. In CET only one question. In CET only one question. In JEE one question. We'll study some concept. In that concept question comes, happy. If not, means leave it. That way you can plan, no problem. But if you prepare certain standard minimum information, CET, this type of exams, you can give right. That is. So now 30 questions you have to answer 25. You know very well. So let it be one among that. What is that? That way you plan, not like in one subject, any subject. But minimum information you have to learn. Basic information, basic concepts, everything you must know. Some application type in 1 or 2 topics you are not able to cover. Okay. What is that number? Check it. Suppose before or after revision, you got by that time good confidence, still time is there. Then spend time on that type of topic. Now you need to note down properly. I will also ask you to maintain one worksheet. Trigonometry we are starting. I am covering. How much you covered? How much you covered? Up to which level you have done? Which subtopic you are not able to pick up? That topic you know about that. We will see a class again to do about that. Okay. That topic we don't know means 10 days if we spend time on that is foolishness. Here for the first 4 chapters complete. What are that? Matrices, determinant, relation functions, and inverse trigonometry. Even in our schedule also, these chapters are going to complete by October. That 7 days we have holidays. October, that's the holiday. 7, we have to see. They'll give 4 or 5 or 3 days or whatever. But we cannot force anybody. That time, let us assume we have a holiday. After coming back from holidays, no, you give one CBSE test on the 4 chapters, right? After that, 1 month, we will work only differentiation. No, application of derivatives. Yes. These 2 chapters, application of derivatives and differentiation. Even in your revision schedule, also same thing is going to happen. When you are doing that, no, revision schedule also follows the same idea. Then over, right? Let us assume by October end or like that, we will complete NCERT. Remaining revision of the will continue. NCERT we can finish. That way we need to do. That's why first you take printout of AV, then you see the question. You will be able to answer or not. Then maybe matrices determinant concept of depth, right? Only NCERT level I have done. That's why you may find little difficult. But if you go to the differentiation or something after revising the concepts, you will never find that differentiation and application of derivatives. If I revise that once, then you see the material, whatever, you will never find anything like that. Any material. Yesterday discussed with your parents about materials. No one promised that November 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th exam. You have to give, no. You have to tell by that time you get some book, you conduct exam. In front of you, will write it. Okay. Or meanwhile, you get book at any time. I'm finishing matrices this week. You give me from matrices chapter any question. Close. Because all type of worries is there. That is not like that something extra. It's one kind of checkpoint. It will give confidence. At home also positive atmosphere. Right? No seriousness, no fires, nothing. That it. If everything goes smoothly, then 100% it will come out. Suppose one day if you get frustrated, 1 hour, 2 hours you disturbed, no use, right? Correct or not? No use. No need to, that type of thing is happening, correct? No need. Hope to waste your energy or time or mind for that. Have everything positive. That's why in any meeting I won't be serious. No use. I know that. No use. While doing work, I will be serious. But while telling you why I have to, you know, if you are suppose you are preparing matters, seriously complete that. After that, what is there to talk seriously about that? No use. If you do, you will get the mark. If you don't do,